Hi friends! So today you're going to be crafting with Miss Megan and we're going to make our own bird feeder. So you're going to take some popsicle sticks and a little bit of glue, or a lot of glue, and create a bird feeder of your own to put in your backyard. So follow along with my tutorial and make a bird feeder of your own. Alright guys, so to start our birdhouse, we're just going to need a bunch of popsicle sticks and some glue. So let's go ahead and get started. So we're going to move our popsicle sticks to the side, and then you're going to grab two random colors and then two more random colors. It does not matter what order they're in at all. But we're going to take our glue and you're going to put a little dot in each end of your two sticks right here. And then we're going to put our other sticks right on top of this. It's kind of like we're building, if that makes sense. So you're going to put them right at the end. And then on this side, you're going to do the same thing. And we're going to make a little square. Perfect. So the very bottom of our birdhouse, what we want to do is I'm going to put some more glue all the way across here and all the way across the top. And then what we're going to do is put more popsicle sticks all the way across so that the bottom is sturdy for our bird seed. So we're going to put them all right next to each other just like this. Do orange one, blue, like I said, the order does not matter at all. Do an orange one right here. And then a yellow. Alright, and then we're going to squeeze those together. Perfect. Alright, so now we have the bottom of our birdhouse. It's sturdy and it will hold our bird seed when we get done. Alright, so now we're going to leave that there to dry for a few seconds. And when it's dry, you're going to come back and you're going to put glue all on the side just like this. All on the side just like this. And then you're going to do two sticks on the end just like this, just like you did on the bottom. One over here. And now it's time to start building your bird feeder up. So we'll put little glue dots on the ends, just like this, on each end, just like we did to begin. And then we will start building it up. Through one, and then two. Oop, this one's a little bit bent, so we'll get a different one. Perfect. Make sure we're keeping it as straight as we can. And then we'll put glue on all four corners of these sticks. So you're going to keep doing this step until it's tall enough that it can hold some bird seed. Alright, so once you have created your bottom base, it should look to be about this wide. And it looks just like this from the top. Once you're done with that, it is time to start making the roof. So we're going to put this to the side and let it keep drying. And then we're going to do the same thing that we did right at the beginning. And we're going to make a square. So we're going to put a little bit of glue on every corner. And then we'll get a flatter one for that. Glue, glue, and then we will make the square. Should look just like this when you're done. Go ahead and throw that one off. And then we're going to fill it in, so I'm going to put some more glue on each side. We're going to fill it in with different colors. So we'll go with red, then a purple, orange, blue, get a yellow in there, then a red, a green, and a blue, and another red. There we go. Squeeze them together. And then we've got one side of the roof. And then we'll move that over here to dry. And then we'll do the same process again. We'll do a yellow and an orange, and then a red and a blue. So we're going to do the same process again. Glue, 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 and then we'll put these sides on, and then put this side on. Hold that together. All right, and then we're going to add some more colors. So we'll go with orange right here. Oh, we forgot to add our glue. First, we'll add our glue. Then we'll do an orange, then a green, then a blue, then a red, another orange, and a green. Then we'll grab a purple. Ooh, look at that cool stripe that it has on it. That's awesome. And then we'll grab a yellow. And then we'll grab a blue. And like we've done with all of them, we'll just squeeze them together. There we go. And now we've got our roof built. So it should look just like this on the back. We've got our two little sticks holding it up. And then on the front, we've got sticks all the way around. All right, so now that we've got our base and we've got our roof panels over here, we need to make our columns. So you're gonna grab 4 sticks, it doesn't matter which ones, and you're gonna do 4 groups of 4. All right, so what you're gonna do now is you're gonna take one of your groups of 4, I'll take this one first, and you're going to put glue on it just like this, and then you'll stick one of your sticks on top of it, right on top of it, and press down. And then you'll repeat this process for all 4 sticks. Get that 3rd stick on there. Perfect, perfect. Make sure they're all sticking together. And then get our 4th stick. Perfect. It's okay if they slide around a little bit. Just make sure they're straight when you're done so that they'll dry straight. Perfect. And then this is what they look like from the side. You have 4 sticks all up next to each other and they are glued. So we'll put it right up here to dry. And then now we'll move on to our next 4 sticks, and then our next 4 sticks, and then our next 4 sticks. All right, so now that our bottom has dried and our columns have dried, I'm gonna put a lot of glue on here, on the very bottom, and in the corner down here. So we'll put the column right here in the corner, and we're gonna hold and press it down. So you're going to want to hold it until it dries. Alright, so we're going to hold that one, and then I'm going to go ahead and do this one over here. Put some glue down there. Put some glue on the bottom of your column. And then hold them down together. And then you'll do this in each one of your corners. So after your birdhouse dries and your columns are standing up straight and they are dry, your birdhouse is gonna look just like this. You've got all 4 columns right in the corners. All right, and now what you're gonna do is you're gonna stand it up straight, and you're going to use one of the panels that you created earlier, and you're going to glue it to the back. So it's gonna be right back here. Does that make sense? Perfect, so we're gonna glue that, and as soon as it's dry, we'll do the next step. All right, and so now your birdhouse will look like this. So now your next step, you're going to be making a ramp. So it's gonna look just like this. You're going to connect your other panel that you have to the top of this panel that you just glued and to the top of the other 2 columns. So you're gonna glue right along here, and then you're gonna glue right on the top of both of your columns, and then you'll put this panel right on top and press it and let it dry. And now your last step, after your house looks just like this, what you're gonna do is you're gonna grab some string. Any string will work, but I'm gonna use this white string. And then you're gonna tie it up under your house. Take it under your house. And then you're gonna tie it up in the sky. You're gonna tie it like a bow. Might have to get somebody else's help with this one. Tie it into a knot. And now you can hang it from a tree.